We are from group Let Me Cook. Gonna make this acumalaka frog with an origami paper.
All you need is origami paper. You can buy it at the store nearby.
First, prepare any type of paper. Very recommend with origami paper. Fold one side of the paper to the other side, then press down the middle from the folding.
Next step, you need to make a guideline on the paper by folding the paper like this.
Flip both sides of the paper and make a triangle like this.
Bend the paper like this to the both sides of paper to make the legs. Pull out the sides of paper to make the frog's back. After that, fold the paper like this and secure it like this.
Then bend the origami frog like this.
Now you need to fold this.